Working from home, business operations moving offsite. Empower your mobile teams to gather and distribute information easily with Seal systems. I have a few scenarios to touch on today. First, let's look at sales orders that still need to get to customers. They can contain many line items and also links to customer-facing documents. Here, we'll trigger a standard SAP message to your customer, grab the forms, files, and all the rest, package it into a merged PDF with table of contents, and off to the customer it goes in a portal or an email. That's a quick transmittal, no processing on the user's workstation at all. What about purchasing? Well, let's do the same thing. Bring up our order, generate our message, and we're done. Digital packaged RFQ or purchasing docs go straight to the suppliers without further user intervention. Messages come back, confirming the receipt, and go into SAP where they belong. All right, and you also have some materials or document records to send out. Well, here, again, search, select, and output. All of this goes to a web page, PDF, email, or anything on the internet. Merge and share your favorite reports with supporting files, send projects, recipes, and much, much more. Package anything like work instructions, production planning, and maintenance. It all works the same way and on the same platform as well. This operates from SAP, Windows, and beyond. Powerful Output Management provides a scalable landscape for future-proof requirements. Why is it so easy? Well, Seal provides the foundation for automated digital information flow. We've been doing this for 40 years, and we know how documents and drawings are key to a well-organized team. It doesn't work without information. Get started with revolutionizing your mobile team today. Thanks for watching.